an in-depth, extensive, bulky, and wide exploration. While strategy formulation provides the blueprint and direction for the organization's future, it is the process of strategy implementation and execution that ultimately determines whether strategic goals are achieved. This module takes a comprehensive and detailed look into how organizations translate strategic plans into concrete actions, overcoming complex organizational dynamics and ensuring continuous alignment. Effective strategy execution is often described as one of the most challenging tasks for leaders because it requires harmonizing people, processes, culture, technology, and resources within a constantly evolving environment. 1. Defining the core concepts. Strategy implementation is the organized process of mobilizing resources, aligning systems, and orchestrating activities necessary to put strategic plans into action. Strategy execution refers to the day-to-day operational activities and decision-making that drive progress and achievement of strategic objectives. Both are interdependent. Implementation sets up the environment. Execution delivers the results. 2. Multi-dimensional challenges in strategy. Implementation. Implementing strategy faces an array of multifaceted challenges. Organizational resistance and behavioral barriers. Change triggers uncertainty and discomfort. Employees may resist due to fear of job loss, lack of clarity, or skepticism about leadership intentions. Inadequate strategic communication. Without clear, consistent communication, strategic priorities remain abstract, leading to misalignment and confusion about roles and responsibilities. Structural misfit. Legacy organizational structures may be incompatible with new strategic demands, causing bottlenecks and silos. Resource constraints. Limited financial, human, or technological resources can stall critical initiatives. Leadership gaps. Insufficient engagement or poor strategic leadership weakens momentum and commitment. Performance measurement difficulties. Lack of relevant metrics or ineffective monitoring impedes timely course corrections. 3. The pillars of effective strategy. Implementation. For successful implementation, several foundational elements must be in place. A. Strategic communication. The lifeblood. Translate vision into clear objectives. Break down the big picture into understandable terms. Use multi-channel engagement, town halls, newsletters, intranet updates, one-on-ones, feedback mechanisms. Enable employees to ask questions and provide input. Storytelling. Use narratives to inspire and contextualize strategy. B. Leadership at all levels. Executive sponsorship. Top leaders must visibly champion strategy, allocate resources, and remove obstacles. Middle management activation. Managers serve as interpreters and motivators, bridging strategy and frontline action. Distributed leadership. Empower employees with decision rights aligned to strategic goals. C. Aligning organizational structure. Choose a structure, functional, divisional, matrix, networked, that supports strategic objectives. Flatten hierarchies for agility when innovation is key. Create cross-functional teams for complex initiatives. D. Cultural alignment. Promote values that support strategic priorities, e.g., innovation, customer centricity, accountability. Address cultural resistance through training, role modeling, and incentives. Celebrate behaviors aligned with strategic goals. E. Resource allocation and budgeting. Deploy funds, talent, technology, and time according to priority. Use zero-based budgeting if needed to realign spending with strategy. Prioritize high-impact projects and avoid resource fragmentation. F. Performance management systems. Develop clear key performance indicators, KPIs, linked to strategic objectives. Use balanced scorecards to integrate financial and operational metrics. Conduct frequent performance reviews and feedback cycles. Encourage continuous improvement and learning. 4. Change management. Enabling strategic transformation. Implementation is often synonymous with organizational change. Structured change management ensures smoother transitions. Prepare, assess readiness, and build urgency. Engage, involve stakeholders early to build ownership. Enable, provide tools, training, and resources. Sustain, reinforce through recognition, cultural embedding, and continuous communication. Popular models include Kotter's 8 Steps, Lewin's Change Model, Unfreeze Change Refreeze, and ADKAR. 5. Integrating systems, processes, and people. Successful execution requires process redesign, align business processes with strategic goals, e.g., lean processes to support cost leadership. Information systems. Invest in technology that supports real-time data, decision-making, and collaboration. Human capital. Align talent acquisition, development, and retention with strategic competencies. Incentives and rewards. Design compensation and recognition systems to encourage behaviors that advance strategy. 6. Monitoring, control, and feedback loops. Implementation is not static. It demands continuous evaluation and agility. Establish strategic control systems to monitor progress. Perform variance analysis to detect deviations. Hold regular strategy review meetings to adapt tactics. Foster a culture of accountability where outcomes are measured and addressed. Use scenario planning and risk management to anticipate and mitigate uncertainties. 7. Case studies and best practices. IBM's transformation successfully executed a major strategic shift from hardware to services by aligning leadership, culture, and resources. Toyota Production System. Strategy execution through process excellence, lean manufacturing, and employee empowerment. Netflix's innovation. Execution of digital transformation, driven by a culture of agility and data-driven decision-making.